Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prepping. Today we're going to be preparing this Betty Crocker Delights cookie brownie bars. So if you've lost your box or you just like a visual guide, we are here to help. We have got, I think, everything assembled here that we need today. You're of course going to need your mixes for your cookie brownie bars, 2 bowls to mix things up in, or 1 if you want to clean it in between, a pan to bake these in. I've got a 9x9 inch today. You could also use an 8x8 inch. A spatula or spoon, some sort of utensil to stir up your mixes with, some cooking spray or butter, something like that to grease your pan with. I have also prepared my pan with foil just to make them easier to get out at the end, or you could use parchment paper or nothing. Some toothpicks to check and make sure that this is done in the end. And then we need, for the brownie mix, 2 tablespoons of water plus 1/3 cup vegetable oil and 1 egg. I have those set to the side in 1 container over there. And then for the cookies, we need 3 tablespoons of softened butter plus 2 tablespoons of water. So the first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit if you are using aluminum or glass. If you are using a nonstick pan, preheat it to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, let's prepare our pan by spraying down the bottom with our cooking spray and then set that aside. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. Next, we need to open up our box and get started on our brownie mix first. So set aside your cookie mix. Your cookie mix is the one in the white package, and the brownie mix is the clear package with brown mixture in it. Go ahead and open up your brownie mix and pour it into one of your bowls with your 2 tablespoons of water, your 1/3 cup oil, and your egg. Make sure that you're scraping down the sides and bottom of your bowl as you go. And now that our brownie is all mixed up, we are going to pour that into our already greased baking pan. And then spread that evenly into the pan with your spatula. And then set that aside, and we're gonna work on our cookies. So get your cookie dough mix into your bowl with your water and softened butter, and then just gently work that together until a rough dough forms. And now we'll bring our baking pan back and just drop this cookie batter in about 9 spoonfuls evenly across the top of our brownie batter in 3 rows of 3. They don't have to be perfect. They're all just gonna kind of mush together in the end as it bakes. And now that we've got that in there, we can go ahead and pop this into the oven for their recommended bake time of 34 to 39 minutes if you're using an 8x8 inch pan, 29 to 34 minutes if you're using a 9x9 inch pan like me, and 27 to 32 minutes if you are using an 11x7 pan. So since oven temperatures vary, I will definitely come back and let you know exactly how long this took in my oven. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. All right, guys, we are back and it has been 37 minutes in my oven. At 34, these just were not quite done in the middle, so these seem to be okay now. We're gonna go ahead and check them. You're gonna insert your toothpick about 2 inches from the edge, and you want it to come out almost clean, which is going to look something like this. There's not a lot of thick dough hanging on there. It's just a tiny bit of crumb, which is exactly what you want. So now we just need to let these sit to cool, and then you can go ahead and cut them. So here is our completed Betty Crocker Delights cookie brownie bars. If you guys would like to know how these taste, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase them again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.